TikTok Cashbot Review. Wesley Virgin is scam or legit? Full auto plus bonus. Hey and welcome to my TikTok Cashbot Review, where I give honest digital product reviews along with awesome bonuses for products I truly believe in. TikTok Cashbot is brought to you by Wesley Virgin, also the creator of UploadBucks, Arizona Cash Code, InstaPays, CryptoPays, MessagePays and many other software products. So the big question is TikTok Cashbot really worth your money? I'll tell you if it ticks all the boxes, and if it does, I'll give you some awesome complimentary bonuses you can only get from me today. My goal is to help you make an informed decision so you don't end up wasting your money. Now let's jump into the next section of my TikTok Cashbot review to find out what exactly TikTok Cashbot is and how it can help you in your business. TikTok Cashbot quick overview. So, except the sales page, that is well misleading and way too hippie, the app works. But keep in mind that this won't make you money instantly like they claim on the sales page. To grow a TikTok account takes a bit of time. Pros: money back guarantee, step-by-step training. Easy to use, tap into $75 billion TikTok algorithm, DFY videos ready to upload. What exactly is TikTok Cashbot? TikTok Cashbot is a cloud-based software that allows you to search trending videos on Pinterest, videos that you can download and use to post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. This software is very easy to use and is nothing complicated here. Basically, find videos, download them and upload to another platforms on your account. So, this product works. And what I want to mention is that you will also get a 6 weeks training course. This training goes in depth and you will learn a lot about affiliate marketing. TikTok Cashbot review. Bonuses: if you decide to buy TikTok Cashbot through my link, click on any of the buttons on this page and you will get all the bonuses listed for free. All the bonuses listed down below for my TikTok Cashbot review are available only if you buy it through any of my links/buttons on this page and are available even if you purchase only the front-end offer. Your download link with my bonuses will be delivered inside your Warrior Plus account. If you can't find them or you run into an issue, please send me an email at omdi291997@gmail.com and I will be happy to sort things out for you. So check out my TikTok Cashbot review bonuses. This bonuses will save you time, money and help you make the most out of TikTok Cashbot. Custom bonus 1, free account with ReadBio. ReadBio is my own cloud-based software that will allow you to build V-cards and bio pages in minutes. All your links on one page. And you will get unlimited free access to ReadBio when you buy TikTok Cashbot through my link. You get 4 built-in themes that you can use right away: custom logo, background, fonts, SEO settings, password protection and so much more. Dark mode. All your pages support dark mode as well, tracking pixels, Facebook, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, Quora tracking pixels available. Connect your own domain or use our predefined ones. Custom bonus 2, free WP Video Reviews Pro. The beauty of this plugin is that for every page you have on your website you can have a different video widget for every page. For example, for the home page you can have a video, for an article you can have another video, for a blog post you can have another video. This is powerful stuff and you'll get this for free when you buy TikTok Cashbot through my link. 100% responsive selection, multiple pages and videos. Play video from the beginning when it is clicked/tapped. Add call to action button with types of options. Scroll to a block on a site page. Add URL to open other page. Calling a pop-up window, launching a quiz, etc. Button color settings. Ability to disable widget on mobile or on desktop. Select widget location, widget color settings. Custom bonus 3, free account with Read Shortener. Read Shortener is my own premium link shortener, QR codes generator and bio pages software, and you will get unlimited free access to Read Shortener when you buy TikTok Cashbot through my link. Link Shortener, bio pages and QR codes, link management, privacy control, powerful dashboard, custom branded domain names. Custom bonus 4, free account with ReadProofs. ReadProofs is my own cloud-based software that will allow you to create FOMO, scarcity, social proof pop-ups to engage and keep your website visitors. You will get unlimited free access to ReadProofs when you buy TikTok Cashbot through my link. 14 Included notifications. Unlimited campaigns create unlimited notifications. Highly customizable notifications. Notifications and campaign statistics. Custom bonus 5 Free account with Gradient QR code. Gradient QR code is the most performant, lightweight and easy to use digital QR code maker software. Contains a large array of QR code templates to choose from and get started. Get unlimited free access to Gradient QR code when you buy Ultra Funnels through my link. Custom bonus 6 What I use to rank websites and videos. In this bonus I will show you the websites I use to buy and get high quality backlinks for my websites and YouTube videos, and I will also share with you the tools I use to build my own backlinks. TikTok Cashbot Overview. Creator Wesley Virgin. Product TikTok Cashbot. Launch date May 5, 2022. Launch time 9 o'clock EST. Front end price $19. Bonuses. Huge bonuses for different categories at the end of the review. Skill all level. Guarantee 365 days money back guarantee. Niche tool and software. Recommend. Highly recommend. Unless you're living under a rock, you've seen all the buzz surrounding TikTok. TikTok is booming right now. Once an unknown platform, TikTok is now rivaling YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Don't miss this great offer. Not even in your dreams. Tested and trusted.